I bought a 2011 Honda Fit Sport 5-speed with 217,800 miles. I'm going to talk to the previous owner who bought it brand new. I'm going to take it to my Honda specialist, and I'm going to talk about the pros and cons and my overall impressions. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike the Baldadonis, and I buy and sell cars as a hobby, and I bring you guys along with me, showing you the pros and cons of each vehicle I buy. Now, as a hobby, I buy cars and I buy, sell, flip, whatever you want to call it. You ever watch Wheeler Dealer? Well, that's me. I buy a car, it may need a little bit of work, I fix it up, I put it on the channel, and then I try to sell them to make a small profit. I try anyways. Doesn't always work out like that, but I give it a shot. Anyways, I've been looking at smaller vehicles just for fuel efficiency. I have 4 cars at the moment, that's including the Honda. And you know what? I haven't had a Honda on the channel. I've been looking for one for quite a while. And when I saw this Honda Fit, and I was like, you know what? That's a cool looking little car. And the thing that I liked about it was the little spoiler on the bottom, the spoiler on the roof, the upgraded wheels, being an original owner and being well taken care of in a garage all of its life, I had to buy it. All right, so let's talk to the original owner.
Hi there, I'm Radu, and this has been my car for the past 12 years. Seems like I keep my cars for about 12 years. The previous one also for 12 years it was. I was the original owner. I got it at Auto Fair Honda, and it's been a great car. I've always had a long commute. I live in New Hampshire and I've been working in Mass, and my commute has been at least 50 miles one way, and this car has been really good for that. There was a time when I was looking at how much mileage I can get out of it, so I actually had it running at about 37 miles per gallon for several weeks at a time. Of course I had to be light-footed, but still. It's really good on gas. It actually does better than the manufacturer's spec says. I think they had it up to 34 or something, but you know, I was getting consistently 37. So that's good. Never had much, you know, any issues with the car. Tires were probably my biggest expense. I like to change the tires every 2 to 3 years because of the snow handling around here. We have some hills that I want to get stuck on, and it's been garaged all the time, so it's always kind of clean outside. It looks a lot better than people would expect it to be, and I've been the only driver. I don't carry kids or anybody, just a commuter car. So I've had fun. I'll miss it. But it looks like it's in good hands, and I'm kind of looking forward to see what happens to it next.
All right, so when I buy a vehicle, I have OCD. I have to wash it. That's what I always do. So with that said, let's take a look. Let's do it. when I bought the car, I did notice a small engine noise. Can you hear it? Now, I'm not sure if that's an alternator, AC compressor, water pump, whatever. So we're gonna take it to the Honda specialist, so let's take a look.
I own Mike's Honda shop in Hudson, New Hampshire, 2 Industrial Drive, Unit 2. Right here we have a 2011 Honda Fit Sport. It's a 5-speed manual with a 4-cylinder in it. It's got approximately 200,000 miles. So I've taken it for a test drive real quick, and I've also put up on the left and checked it out. 200,000 mile Fit. I believe Mike got it from the original owner. So as I was checking it out, realized it's very well taken care of. It's very well maintained. I can find almost no concerns with the vehicle at all. Right now, we have a little bit of a bearing noise from the accessory on the engine, possibly alternator, AC compressor. But as you can see in his video earlier, we have plenty of charging voltage from the alternator. So I wouldn't really be worried about it at this point right now, since everything's charging and working correctly. So overall, silver car, great vehicle, super reliable. Not many overall concerns with the vehicle. I'm also a 20-year Honda technician at a dealership, actually going on year 21. As I've seen through the years on these vehicles, not really much goes wrong with it. As long as they're well maintained, they'll last several 100,000 miles. Obviously this has 200 on it. It is, again, in very, very good shape. The customer owned it, took very, very good care of it. And as you can see in Mike's early videos, you can see just from the inside out how well the inside's taken care of. He has some undercar videos he can show you, so you can give it a good once over on videos, and you can make your own decision on what's going on. The car is great. Seems to run and drive great. Mike says it gets 37 miles to the gallon. It's probably what it's supposed to be getting. It's well maintained, nice little vehicle.
Okay, I want to thank Mike for checking out the car. He is my best friend's neighbor. He just opened up that shop 2 months ago, and we couldn't really figure out what that noise is. He thinks it might be an alternator, but I'm not going to keep changing parts and waste money. So I will invest in $50 in a belt tensioner. It's a cheap part. Hopefully it fixed the problem, and then I won't have any more issues. So I will leave a comment in my own description or in my comments telling you what the problem was, and hopefully that's the problem. It should be fixed. And I will also add that into the next car video. I'll take some video clips and put that into the next car video. So my pros and cons. Pros, fuel efficiency, 35 to 37 miles per gallon. I think it's a very good looking car. That's just me though. The car is in near perfect condition. Being in garage, especially here in New England, it looks fantastic. It's rust free, well maintained from the original owner. It's spacious. Such a small little car, the seats in the rear do fold up, so you can put some storage on the floor, and then also, as you can see, it does fold down, and I have all that extra space in the back. The stereo system cranks. For this little tiny car, I'm pleasantly surprised on how well this stereo actually is to listen to. Visibility, with all these little windows, I can see everything, so looking out for traffic, not a problem. And it takes bumps very nicely. Now, I drive an X5 BMW with a sport suspension, and it has sport springs, aftermarket springs, so the ride is very harsh. So driving this Honda is refreshing. It goes over the bumps like nothing, and I really enjoy that. Best of all, it has the lightest clutch that I've driven in a long time. Very easy, so when I'm in Boston or surrounding towns down there, the clutch is super nice and easy. I really appreciate that. All right, so let's do the cons. I am 6'4". I do have a lot of room in there, but the steering wheel doesn't come out far enough, whereas I am reaching over the steering wheel trying to shift, so I feel a little bit uncomfortable with that. The interior, when you're driving on the highway, it's very loud. You can hear everything. It's very, very loud. Driving this vehicle, I don't know if people can see me, but I get cut off all the time. People ride my ass all the time. I was in Boston traffic coming home in the commute. People are just in and out, up my butt, cut me off. It's just brutal. I don't understand it. Also, because it has disc brakes and non-disc brakes in the rear, it has drum brakes in the rear, it doesn't stop as fast as it should. So, I mean, it's an economy car. It is what it is, but I think the brakes could be a little bit better. I mean, what else can I say about a fuel-efficient economy car? Yeah, it makes a lot of noise because of the interior. It's thin material because they have to save money. It's a small car. I mean, I can't really say anything bad about it. For the money, I think that's probably one of the best cars for an economy car. Absolutely. Fun car? I guess. I mean, I've been driving a lot of sports cars all my life. If that was turbocharged, I think that would be wicked fun, but it's not bad. I like it. What else can I say? So I'm gonna end the video in a second by using this Insta360 camera. I use this all the time for the crazy car shots. So we're gonna go around my neighborhood, take some shots with this, and I want you guys to check it out. So upcoming videos, everybody. I do travel videos throughout New England. Those will be coming up. My 2013 Subaru XV Cross Trek, I believe. That is the next car video. So until the next video, everybody, Baldadonis out.